I just, from the bottom of my heart, think that this place is an incredible place to give birth, and I think that the nurses went above and beyond, and I'm so grateful.
From the moment I walked in the door till the day I left with the baby, they were very supportive. It was my first time with the baby, so it was something totally new, but I felt comfortable because they really helped me.
It's so important that we invest in women's services because obviously that's more than 50% of our community are women, and many people have said over the years that they wanted their child to be born here in Sonoma, and we offer that service, as well as we've saved many lives through our mammography early screening programs and just in general being there for all of our women.
The Birthplace is a small family-centered birthing facility. We provide care for patients here that can run from a very family-centered approach, kind of a high-touch, low-tech approach, but we can also provide high-tech birth as well. It's definitely all about mom's choice.
The care at Sonoma Valley Hospital felt unlike any other care I'd ever received. The way that the nurses just genuinely cared and took care of us, and they were one step ahead. If I was having, trouble with my back, they ordered a new bed to be delivered here. If, my son was a little fussy, they gave him an infant massage. It was just, they were always one step ahead of our needs. Giving birth is such an intimate experience that having a dedicated staff and having the funding and the resources needed to make that experience as seamless and as beautiful as possible is just so important.
We tried conceiving for about 6 years. We couldn't find a solution what was going on because I had several miscarriages before. So we finally, Dr. Amara found what had to be done for me to keep the babies. And almost a year ago, we had a successful pregnancy and delivery, and I'm currently pregnant, 6.5 months pregnant, and want to deliver here and want to be here. So I'm just happy that there's all these services that could help someone with my problem.
We have obviously great gratitude for all of our community members, especially the attendees at the Celebration of Women over the years. For over 25 years, the foundation has made women's health a high priority for their fundraising, and obviously they've done a great job. We've been able to offer a lot of services and buy equipment that we would not have been able to have here without the foundation.
It's important to have a focus on women's health services because women are the cornerstone of the family and of the healthcare focus in the family in terms of getting care for their children, actually encouraging their husbands or partners to go for healthcare as well. So they're very much in tune with health and tend not to ignore things, and it's fundamental.
The foundation has been incredible in their support of this facility, in support of birth here in Sonoma. This is a new piece of equipment that they helped us get recently that's just revolutionized our ability to take care of moms. It's allowing us to monitor with these little probes the baby's heart rate should we need to monitor it, and mom's contractions. But this doesn't have any wires that attaches it to the machine that tells us how everything's going. So moms can be in the tub with this, moms can be walking around with it. It allows us to help provide those moms really with more choices and the ability to hopefully have a vaginal birth.
I do what I do, the type of nursing that I do, because babies especially are the most innocent, genuine beings, and bringing them into the world in a safe, special, precious manner is one of the best jobs you could have and the best things you could support in my mind.
I'm so grateful to all of the people who've donated to the foundation over the years. All of the equipment that we've received makes a difference in every birth. Every baby that's born here at Sonoma Valley has a great start, and every family has a great new story about how their birth went. For a lot of women, telling a very powerful birth story carries them through and helps them with parenting in those early years. And we know that women on their deathbed maybe don't remember their husband's name, maybe don't remember what they did for work, but they can always talk about their birth. They remember it start to finish. They remember the hands that helped. They remember the faces. And so all the donations we've received makes a difference in those lifelong birth stories.